Welcome to the day one of Mickey Michel French chef from France. Telling you during this hot, there was Limerick accent, during this very, very difficult time, how to make the breakfast in the morning quick and fast and very, very nice and tasty. Les petits pieds, les bleus de Gilles. I will be singing some of the recipes like the first one this morning, and then I will teach you each day how to do the next one, yeah? So we turn around and we have the first recipe. You take the cornflake. Here is one I prepared earlier. It is the cornflake in the bowl. The next part, what you got to do? Les javons, la molle, les pis, les javons. You get the milk out of the fridge. Fuck, there's no milk. Alright, I will be back to you. Good morning, petit filou, les volants, les gens, les motherfuckers, les ont des tout. The cook-off and the Mickey Michel is the chef for the week. I am here with the gorgeous Linda Carter, the best Wonder Woman in the world. She's the most beautiful woman. Hey, this morning, I hope you are well. Self-isolation. Everybody got slightly crazy, but it's okay because this morning I make something slightly different. I sing a song in between. I have the cooker is ready, heated up. We have some gorgeous French toast. The bread cooked from Teresa O'Flanagan next door. She's a fantastic baker. She bake you something beautiful every day if you want it. It is unbelievable. So, we start. And what you do, you put this in the toaster. You go. Ons. Dos. If you had two more, you would say tres and cuatro. It's the wrong language, but who gives a merde? Who gives a merde? While I wait for the toaster to pop up like a Pop-Tart. Like a Pop-Tart. I sing you a song while we wait. Long, les javons, l'avant, les javons, downfall of Paris, 876, les javons, bon, les bons. Trois. Les javons. I get the butter. I get it ready. You take your knife. You wait for the butter. I'm waiting too fucking long now, so we took it out. I get it. Oh, Jesus Christ Almighty! I'll nearly electrocute myself. Pop up! And up it comes. Hey, shit! I cannot get it out. Oh, and I do not like I had yesterday. I was more prepared. I had one prepared earlier. So you must take the butter with the knife. You must be very careful. You take the butter and you must spread it like voila. And then you take the, Jesus Christ, I nearly got electrocuted again. Second time. Oh, out she comes. Oh, voila. It is good if it break up. The taste of the bread when the bread breaks is better. The nutrients come out. They come out. You take the butter. And again, voila! You take it in your fingers. Jesus Christ, it's hard. In your fingers, like so. And you put it in your mouth. If you want, you can make tea, coffee. We have coffee on the left side, on the right side. Tea. We see you in the morning for day 3 of Mickey Michel Cook-Off. I love you all. Petit pitou. Right. Morning. Bit of a change of plan. Unfortunately, our lovely friend Mickey Michel ain't feeling that good. Feeling a bit poorly. So he's asked me to come in and do a bit of builder's breakfast for you. You know what I mean? Kind of Shakespearean style. So, yeah, I mean, I did a bit of Shakespeare in my day. You know what I mean? Into the breach, dear friends, and all that. You know what I mean? Hamlet. all that. So we're going to make, speaking of Hamlet, which kind of rhymes with omelette, we're going to make a bit of an omelette, yeah, mixed in with a couple of drinks and all that, and a bit of tea. So we're going to get started. Speaking of Shakespeare, yeah, I was on stage once. Yeah, I did a bit of Shakespeare years ago. I was they threw eggs at me though. I was playing Hamlet. I went on as Hamlet and we fucking came off as omelette. But anyway, listen, we're going to start, and first thing you've got to do, right, is you've got to clean your surfaces. So I'm going to bring you over here to you're going to meet me assistant, right, and that's his name is Harvey. That's Harvey Norman there, right. So we're going to do a bit of a little spring clean on that, right. Mind the sausages. There we go. So there we go, and we're going to start with that. Now you've got to make sure that you're very careful that the sausage that you use, right, you've got to give them a good throw. So what you've got to do is you've got to kind of like fling them like that, right, fling them like that, because the air, you know what I mean, so when you fling the sausage, right, it picks up all the lovely flavours from what we did, yesterday, right? So you've got to fling it. You've got to make sure it hit the back of it. Boom! Here it is, right? So there we go. Keep going with that kind of a thing. Hold on a second. Jesus Christ! Look at that. Fuck is that? There we go. Right. So you've got to fling it on that. Boom! So you get the idea. Take your eggs, right? You're going to take your eggs in a minute. Take your eggs, open the eggs up. There we go. Boom. Same kind of an idea, right? And except you've got to get it in the pan, right? Like that. Where's the pan? There's the pan. Boom! Smash it. Lovely. Now, thing is, right, there's a little bit of a kind of a, bit of a knack to this, right? The reason I left the shell on is because, the way they do the same thing, with, they say to you that you've got to, eat your potatoes, and then the best part is under the skin. Same with an egg. Very same. So, mix in the sausages, all in like that. Little bit of a clean, yeah. Can't be too careful. Just making sure the sausages, the one thing, sausages have to be at least, get me measuring tape out, have to be at least 3 inches. Yeah, that's roughly right. There we go. Perfect. And what else we've got to do? You can stick a bit of celery in. I don't really like celery. Someone asked me that before. They said, do you like celery? I said, not necessary. So there we go. Keep mixing that in. And then you've got to fling that. But you've got to get it in first time. Boom. Right? Same again. Boom. Bob's your auntie's living lover. Give it a bit of mix around, okay? Bit of a mix around then. Just mix it like that. Mix it around. And then you've got to make yourself a nice drink. So I like Jim Beam. I love a bit of Jim Beam. Not Jim Beam, as in like gin and bean. So I put a little, here we go. Bit of Gordon's. There we go. Mix that in there like that. Gin and then bean. So gin, bean, mix that like that. Give it a bit of a swirl around. Make sure and wash your hands, right? And then there you go. Give it about 15 minutes. Let them heat up. And Bob's your auntie's living lover. Right, we'll see you in the morning. I might be here. Could be a fella called Brad. Some old fella Trump outlet back into the States. All right, be good. Hey, good morning. Okay, it's time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mickey Michelle's Cook-Off. Fantastic. Of course, I'm standing in today for Mickey Michelle, and I'm delighted to be here. You guys put the in awesome. So as I say, I'm Brad. I'm going to be doing some lemon sole today. First of all, we get the lemon. Fantastic. And what's going to happen is you're going to put that in the pan, let it simmer away for roughly about maybe 30 seconds to 90 seconds. And then we're going to take some, we don't use butter, we use Beach Defense Neutrogena. Fantastic. And of course, give it a good whirl. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And of course, shake it up a little bit. Fantastic. Now we're going to just place this here. This is going to go right there. There we have the second part, the sole part, lemon sole. Flatten the curve. Brilliant. We're going to cut that right the way down. All the way around. Get the back of it off. Tear it off. Brilliant. And we're going to put the sole back into the pan. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Brilliant stuff. There we go. Lemon sole. Very, very short. Very easy. Very quick. I've been Brad. You've been fantastic. You literally do put the awe in awesome. I want you to do one more thing, guys. I want you to go and have yourself a fantastic day.
Yeah. Oh, I agree with you, Teresa. Sure, it's a joke. Sure, it's never anybody else's child. It's always your own child. It's a fault, like, you know what I mean? I'm sick to death at that school. I'm gone out of my mind with it, you know what I mean? Yeah, no, I haven't been anywhere, sure. Jesus almighty. Look at the fucking legs, like. Look at the legs. Look at that. Look at the fucking hair on that. Sure, Jesus almighty, it's like a beaver. And imagine if that's like that. Can you imagine do you know what I mean? But, the love of Jesus almighty tonight is cat, like, you know what I mean? Oh, cat. I just don't know what to do with myself. What's that? We're live. Hello there and good morning to you all. My God almighty is fantastic. We're here for the cook-off from Michael Michelle. And today we're going to be doing I'll just put this out a small bit in a minute. We're going to be doing a kind of a Bailey sponge, fabulous sponge, gorgeous, lovely sponge, and it's a very easily made. It's a normal sponge like that. To just press it down like that, fabulous sponge. It's a Bailey sponge, as I said, and you just take the Baileys. You take the Baileys like that, and all you do is you just. No, we had a good old night last night, so we didn't really, there's a whole lot of it left, but I just top the top of it there and give it a bit of an old, do you know what I mean? Sponge it down a small bit, and if you have a little bit of ambrosia, put a small bit on. And there's a little bit that I made earlier in the oven, and we'll just take it out there. It's fabulous. And you probably remember me from Live at 3, did at 4, Nuala O'Mara, but there we go, and that's the way it comes out, like that. Beautiful. Just let it set for just a couple of minutes. Do you know what I mean? Just let it set a small bit, like. Himself will be back in the morning anyway. Michael Michelle, he'll be back in the morning for the last one. So fabulous. Keep our hands washed and have a lovely evening for yourself. God bless you. Lovely talking to you.
I'm back! Hey, Mickey Michelle! The truth is, I never left you. I had to pop out to get the milk. I'm back, and now I sing a song for you. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is, I never left you. The social distance for your existence, self-quarantino, les gens for my libido. Boom! Hello! It is so good to be back, even though I never left you. Yeah, I hope everything has been okay. I left you with good hands. You had Nuala, you had Bob, the builder, and you had, of course, the chewing gum of the Brad face. Fantastic and beautiful, bellissimo cooks. Today, I make a fantastic milkshake for you. I have been gone for a couple of days. I must get my eyebrows fixed and done and washed, because I have no hair. That's the only hair I have on my head. Sounded an American. So, this is, it was worth it. I had it done by L'Oreal because it was worth it. I'm going to make for you a fantastic milkshake. I get the recipe for the milkshake. It's a tomato milkshake from Mac Hanrahan from the Stockton's Wing. He started the beautiful affair I have with the food and the taste of the food from Mac Hanrahan. So we start with splash the egg in, straight in, boom, let it come out. Yes, boom, like so. And then you throw it away, and then second time. Here we go. This time we take the shell out, because when you drink on the go, you go and then people might think you have some kind of cough or a virus. So we put in the mix it in like so, and then the milk, boom, You open the milk pack, so, and you pour. Beautiful pour. Look at this. Oh, bellissimo, my little petit fellows. Oh, je les en, les gens vont lever. Les gens vont, les gens vont, les gens vont en vont, les gens en vont. You take, then you pour straight in to the. Oh, Jesus Christ. It looks fantastic. Once. Boom. Beautiful. Milkshake. I drink later. So, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now it's time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye. I love you all, cooking with you, with Nuala, with John, with Badge, and with me. L'enfant, Jean, l'enfant, les trois, les gens vont en l'eau. Trois! Hi all, I hope you survived the last 6 days and the last 6 days of cooking, I suppose, if that's what you'd call it, and the ridiculousness and the silliness of the whole thing, and but it's a bit of crack, and I hope that I put a smile on some of your faces. I certainly had a bit of crack doing it. So, you know, thanks for watching, and stay positive. Just do what you've been asked to do and keep doing what you're doing, I suppose, and keep doing what we've been, you know, told to do when it comes to precautions, and self-isolate as much as you can, and keep in touch with as many people as you can as well. We live in a very, very, you know, technological world, so it's easy for us to do that, and stay in touch with everybody, and as you know, as much as possible, and try and stay positive, I suppose. We really do need to, I suppose, reevaluate so many things. I certainly do, and I've certainly done that over the last couple of weeks. It makes you realise what's really important, I think, you know, and who's important. So just stay well, stay positive, and please God, we'll all get through this, and we'll be fine. And I've no doubt we will. Okay, so thanks for watching, and it was a bit of crack. I certainly enjoyed it. Okay, see you all soon, please God, and stay well and stay safe. God bless.